Hope you guys are doing well. So I am back today with another command line video. So today we will be discussing the cat command in much more detail. I also posted little shorts on the cat command, but in this video I will explain you briefly different options of cats, how you can use the cat command. It's a very versatile and important command. So let's not talk any further and let's get into it. So now I will discuss the basic functionality of cat command before going to any cat options. So let me type in the cat command here, CET, and enter. So as you can see here, it is like giving me the cursor, the white cursor. So suppose I am writing my channel name here. So it is like echoing any input I give it. So I wrote Genesis knowledge and it echoed that thing. So another example, suppose I am writing echo input. So it has also echoed like this input I had given it. So now to exit this cat command, like to end the file, you need to you can do Ctrl+D and you will exit the file or the cat command. So now I am going to be showing you how to print a file's content in the terminal using the cat command. So you will understand better what I am saying when I do the thing. But first of all, I will click ls here, and as you can see I have 2 JPG file and 3 text files, as you can see, test2, test2.txt and test.txt. Okay, so now about the ls commands and the other ones I have given in my other videos as well, previous ones. If you have not watched, you guys can go and watch those. It will be given in the I button above. But suppose I want to print the content of the text.txt in the terminal, but first of all let me show you what is in the test.txt here. So test.txt, I am opening it, and as you can see there is I have written line 1, line 2, and there is a line break here. I have entered a space, and then I have given line 3. So suppose I want to show this data on terminal here. So to show this data on terminal, I have to enter cat dot the file name, so which is here test.txt, and enter, and as you can see the content of the file has been shown here. So now I want to show two file the contents of two files. So to do that I have to just write cat and then respectively the name of the 2 txt files. But I have another txt file here, test2.txt. I'm going to show you what I have in there. So I'm opening this, and as you can see here it is written test2 line 1, and then there is a line break, and then test2 line 2, test2 line 3 respectively. So now I want to, as I already said, I want to display the contents of these two files on the terminal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be first writing cat, of course, and then I'm gonna be writing the file names one after the other. So first of all I'm writing text.txt, and after that I'm going to be writing test2.txt here. So now I'm going to click enter, and as you can see it has given me the content of these two files combined in one manner. So now I will be discussing a few of the cat options with you. So the first of the cat options that I want to discuss is, for example, you want to give line numbers, like you want to display the line numbers in the terminal only of the content of your folder. Okay, so to do that, you have to type in cat minus b and then the name of the file. So here I am giving test.txt only and enter, and as you can see it has given line numbers 1, 2, 3 respectively, but it has not given line numbers to the like blank space that I have left in here and here. So if you remember, I'm just going to be showing you the file once again. So if you remember here, I had left this space, this line 3 space and this line 5 space. So if you like leave spaces like this or line breaks like this, it will not consider that and it will skip that and then give the line number. So for that, like this blank line has not been given the line number 3 name. It has come to this. So now coming to the next command, but first of all let's clear the terminal by pressing Ctrl L, or you can even type in clear if you want to. But so the next command we are going to be like knowing is cat minus n. So what this command basically does is that it like provides line numbers even for the line breaks or space you have you have in your file. So I'm just typing cat minus n and then I'm going to be giving test.txt and enter, and as you can see it has also given line number for 2 line breaks I had given, for 2 space I had given 3 and 5, and so the cat minus n does this. So now suppose I have a lot of line breaks. Let me just open this file, and I have a lot of line breaks here, and so I want to like remove all these line breaks. So what I need to do is, first of all, I'm going to save this file and I'm going to be typing here cat minus s test.txt. So I'm going to be clicking enter, and as you can see, like basically what this command does, cat minus s, is that it squeezes all of this line break and all of the space within one line, and so that is what it is done. And remember that it only like changes the line break and the spaces that has been given. It does not change any content of the file. It just changes the format of how you're gonna be seeing this here. So I chose to like squeeze all of those line breaks within one line. So like that has like happened. As you can see, it has squeezed all of the line breaks within one line. So now I am going to be just opening this, and I'm going to be just undoing my changes here, and I'm going to save this file, and here I'm going to be typing the next command, which is cat minus capital E. So cat minus E and then the folder file name, which is test.txt. Enter. So as you can see, it is like giving me a dollar symbol at the end of each line, like so that you know that this line has ended where the dollar symbol has appeared. So these were the like most basic and important of the cat options you can use. And to learn more about the these cat options and to use them, you can always do man then cat and then enter, and as you can see there will be like all the options that you can do with the cat command will appear, and you guys can study about the more about the cat like cat command from here. Like I only showed you the most basic and the most important cat command option you will be needing to use. But if you want to, of course, know more, you guys can always click man cat, and then you guys can study more about it from here. Like for example, here minus all is show all, and or n is number, like etc. You guys can just click this man, and if you guys click Q, you will be getting out of the man pages. So you guys can also create files with the cat command, but I'm not going to be showing you that in today's video. I'm going to be explaining it in the next video on the command line, when I'm also going to be explaining you the redirection of the command line. But for now, this is the end of this video, and please subscribe to get the next video very as soon as possible, and please click the notifications bell so that you guys can also know when I post the next video on cat command and how to create files or folders using the cat command, or how to edit files using the cat command. So I will be teaching you all of that. So I am also learning, and if I do any mistake or say anything wrong by mistake, please feel free to correct me in the comments box. Thank you for watching.